out of the sky by a stone golem.
This is my redemption.
I'm
This
gonna
time
go
I'll
for the
have more than
original.
the 4x.
I'm gonna go for the original secondary this time instead of the alternate one.
I'm gonna try the mage.
Wait, what? Wait, we can change our loadout?
Yeah,
How do you do it?
Well, you have to unlock the part.
Yeah, you have to unlock them.
there's a weird bug happening.
Yeah,
What?
what is this?
Oh, do you see the thing in the bottom?
I see my lost screen. Okay, I'm gonna be Huntress.
No way. Double interest.
Yeah, I guess I'll go artificer.
2 huntresses? Let's go.
Alright, I'm ready.
I'm ready.
I ready, but like, what if we're bugged and can't play the game?
Well,
Yeah,
we have a
it's
timer, so
Yeah.
It says 0.
Mine says 0.
we have 13 seconds.
That was odd. Oh, that said 6 planes.
Whoa. Oh, I have charges? Damn, that's annoying.
Oh yeah, that's why I want to get the secondary to see if it's not charge based, which requires a 20 kill multi-kill.
The ice wall is cool, I guess, but
That one.
it's kind of annoying. You have no like speed movement.
Damn it.
How do you unlock that character?
You have to
What,
pay
the
10
artificer?
lunar coins.
Yeah, you gotta pay 10 lunar coins.
Oh, okay. I'm on my way to that. What are these?
I mean, don't get me wrong. This dude is pretty good. I will say that much.
Oh, teleporter.
Alright.
Wait. Why is it? Wait, is this teleporter?
Wait, someone activate the Melon challenge?
Oh yeah,
Okay.
2 of them actually. About to be 3.
I think I only stacked once.
Well, there's 3 of them, and I'm activating all of them.
Alrighty.
Makes sense.
Famous last words. I think it only stacks once.
Oh yeah, and then a fucking
And then
horde
like
comes
20
out and kills us.
20 spawn. Hey Maxim, what up? Just got
What up?
launched over here. I'm gonna steal it! I'm gonna steal it!
No, no!
I missed.
Double the strength of healing. Holy crap.
Now I wish I stole it. What's this?
I'm
That's a dead
gambling. Let's
body.
go.
Yeah, I will say, I think I prefer Acrid to this guy, kind of.
I have it. I feel like if I get the entire loadout, I'll be able to actually appreciate him. But that's
Once
the
I
problem.
beat the character and
Yeah, exactly.
like, master
That's
him,
the thing. That's the thing.
then
You
I'll
have-
enjoy playing as him.
Exactly. That's the problem. I have to master him.
Character mastery enjoyers. Where's...
Oh no, I'm probably gonna master the 3 characters I like so far before I even think about doing the others.
I mean, hey, I got the cool, secondary, like alt secondary to this guy, and I actually kind of like it. The active reload's cool and all, but being able to shoot more often is very nice for this guy.
No way. Huntress Wizard from Adventure Time?
I really do look like Huntress Wizard.
Alright, so...
Oh, I gotta reveal all nearby interactables thing. That's pretty good.
Did I just go down the mountain?
Done.
Have fun, Maxim. You know...
I respawn! I'm glitching!
There we are. You know what? Since you're low on health, I'm gonna take it.
Okay, you have fun
And I
doing
didn't
that.
fall off. Alright, let's start this. I'm fast. You'll never catch me. I'm fast as fuck, boy. What's up? I'm running circles around you.
Oh my god.
I have 3 things that allow me to move fast out of combat.
Nice.
Oh, you taking that? Okay.
Alright, Eli, you ready?
Oh,
Wait,
man.
let me set up the turrets. Need buy more turrets.
Turret these nuts.
God damn it.
Jesus.
What?
He had a family that we need to kill.
Yeah, I will say I am not a fan of. I like Bandit more than the Artificer, to be honest.
Yeah, I just feel like getting his second attack might be better. I don't even know what it is, but I feel like
Oh, his like multi-kill thing.
yeah, that's the thing. You have to get the multi-kill, which I don't know how you would do.
Yeah. Are we activating it?
I'm tired of waiting.
Just like in order to get my alternate stun grenades, I have to deal 1,000 damage in one shot. I mean, 1,000,000 damage in one shot. My bad.
There's still stuff else good.
Y'all screwed over Shinobi.
Oops. Sorry.
What's that?
Ow! 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 Oh,
Alright.
I'm dead.
No,
I'm out.
Jackson.
Oh, I have one health! Oh, I'm
Get
dead.
over there.
That
This might be a diet the first run.
no, we're fine.
Still got me.
I knocked off the edge. It's embarrassing.
Oh, Shinobi, if you want to really use the glaive effectively, what you gotta do is you gotta do it when, like, yeah, there's a bunch of...
Go, Shinobi, time to shine.
Shinobi, you got this. You're ready to.
Shinobi, we believe in you!
You're the person who's like, let me solo her.
Oh,
so you now get to solo her.
I believe in you! I believe in Shinobi supremacy!
So how does this curse doll thing?
I think they target you and target that instead? I don't really know.
You're gonna die.
Oh my god, yeah, he's dead.
Holy shit!
The character broke on my screen. He was ragdolling like Goat Simulator.
Dog, I love the ragdolling in this game when they get, like, over-damaged.
Honestly,
It's so
yeah.
funny.
So,
Oh,
I got one that says inflict 1,000 total poison damage. That's pretty easy.
Oh, yeah, the Siphon Forest. Pretty hot.
Meteor Slam!
me.
Come
Fuck
at
you.
me. Oh, did you get the Venom or
Yes, I said, screw you in particular.
I'm gonna sacrifice myself to the blood god for money.
Ooh.
It's a pro gamer move, honestly.
Yeah, I guess it
Of
just went in
course,
your
the item against the delicate watch.
Oh, the worst item.
You want something use? You want something? You want the most useless item? You want it? You want to hear it?
What
As
is
an
what?
extra charge to your secondary skill on Railgunner.
That's very specific, though. Overall, the worst item is the delicate watch.
No, I'm talking specifically about Railgunner
Yes.
because it does functionally nothing. What? Do I get another scope?
Another scope.
I got another delicate watch.
Delicate nuts.
Ow. Hopping over here.
Or, I was gonna buy that again.
Oh.
How dare you?
Oops.
Found the teleporter.
Don't activate
There's a lot
it
of
yet.
monsters.
Avoid chest. Huh.
Aboard chest.
And it's a plasma
okay.
shrimp, arguably the best one. Throw a cursed stall that repeatedly triggers your on-kill effects. But, huh.
Guys, bunny hopping.
Okay, I have 4 chests and
An
2
extra
drones I'm trying to repair.
magazine.
Please
What?
no one
Secondary
dang
skill.
it.
I didn't even know I could get that.
The backup magazine? Yeah, I have that too.
Come on, RNG gods. Bless me with something at least. Damn.
I need loot. There's a bunch of chests over here. I need money.
Oh shit, I'm coming, Eli.
I just sacrificed my soul to the blood god, so
Oh, okay.
don't worry about me. I'll just kill everything from afar.
Wait, is that a wrench printer? Is that the first, not wrench, crowbar printer? First one I ever see?
Probably, yeah.
Oh my god, it is.
God dang it.
Except you can't use it because you don't have enough items.
What do you mean?
Because it requires items to print.
Printing right now. Hey, I can print my delicate watches.
Delicate watches. Oh, break the low health.
Boys with the delicate watches.
I'm literally putting
We
everything
don't
in
have
here.
delicate watches.
Forgive
Get
me,
away
please.
from me! These are mine.
I was just looking.
I got 5 crowbars now.
You get to choose what item goes in there?
No.
Oh.
So I lost 2 good items because of that. Oh, I can buy a crowbar.
I said I will happily put my backup mag in there, but if I can't choose, I'm keeping my items.
I have 6 crowbars.
Okay.
Is that all the drones?
It might be.
Probably. Let's just start it.
Beetle Queen!
2 Beetle Queens because we waited so long.
Ah, this would have been a great time to be multi. Ah! I might need to run for a second. I'm low health. Ah, I'm dead.
No.
Win for you!
How dare you kill my brother?
What do you mean? I'm alive.
Oh, I got
Up.
swarmed.
Yeah,
I got,
you got scored. Yeah,
I
we're
got
happy.
swarmed. We're fine.
Potentially. Potentially.
Dude, we're fine.
Theoretically speaking.
Oh, is the Queen's still alive?
I don't like the ult. I don't like the ult special, so oh well. Unborn Elden Ring players memorizing their mom's coat hanger attacks.
So used to being dead by now.
You carried. It was all shinobi. They didn't even do shit.
Oh, Void.
What was that about Void?
Void monsters. Great. Oh, sweet. The shurikens allow me to add extra range to me. That's nice.
I had extra
Alright,
range to me
nice.
every day. I didn't mean to click that again! I tried to open the chest, and
Oh, I see.
Actually-
You accidentally clicked that.
yeah, and it basically killed me.
What killed? Oh.
Oh well, I used a good item I got, so I'm back alive.
No.
Oh, that hurt.
What's up?
Oh god. I have 7 crowbars. If you find any crowbars, tell me.
You said that as I grabbed one. My bad.
Damn it. My crowbar.
I've been collecting drones.
If you're playing engineer, you would be getting, I think, an achievement, right?
No, I'm playing the character that needs it. It's Huntress.
I know. I'm saying Shinobi was talking about how he was getting drones.
Oh yeah. I got that. That gives you the walking laser drill. It's really good.
Okay, seriously, do you guys know what this thing was?
What?
So I don't
Where,
use it.
where are you? Hold on, I'm headed over to you.
Looks like an invisible gun.
Where are you?
Oh, the Blundergat? It does something. And that's
We just don't know
that's
what.
the extent to my knowledge.
What?
It says to kill high opponents for trophies, but the thing is, I've never been able to get that to work.
Well, it's useless.
I mean, if you figure out how to work it, it's probably pretty good.
Where is it?
It's,
What are we looking
it's
at?
equipment. It's equipment that Shelby has.
Oh, he has it. He has it. Okay.
I'm trying to figure out what's good or not. Okay, I need to find a chest. I have almost $1,000.
Did you get the crowbar?
Yeah, I got the crowbar. Alright, I think that's everything. I think we should just start it.
Hold on. I want to use my money.
Crowbars. I need 4 more.
I must ask you to please wait just a little bit.
The last time we waited, we died.
Point these nuts.
True.
Counterpoint. I don't need a counter.
Holy shit, that was amazing.
Okay, where are those shrines at? Is it
I
possible
think
for
we
you
got
guys
some
to
I don't
find
think there's any shrines.
Oh wait, never mind. I found one. Shinobi right there.
Right where?
I pinged it.
Shrine of Chance. It's
Okay,
over
I'm about to
there.
run over here.
That's the only thing I think that's left on this map if you really want to do
Yeah,
it.
I got too much money. I need to use it.
Right,
My last
Shinobi,
chance
you're not
to come
stacked
up
at all.
What's up?
Shinobi's not
Yeah, I have
stacked.
like a couple items. That's it. I'm broke.
Oh, you got a double. You got a backup match. Okay, that's everything. Start it.
Beetle Queen!
No way. Hey, I got a trophy from this gun. Is that good? I don't know what that is.
Coming in clutch! Oh, we got beetle guards. Oh. Wait, we're gonna get
two.
that.
Flawless. Fully charged the teleporter without getting hit. Oh my god.
Oh,
Whoa.
Whoa, look at me being the bad guy.
No way, the hit popular movie Bad Guys?
Ah. Well, that's an elemental trait.
the tray.
Ow. Ah,
I'm off to find someone to kill.
Here I go slaying again.
That was not smart. Good. Here I go killing again. Oh there, bub.
Oh, I found the teleporter.
sweet.
Has anyone found any crowbars?
I have
No,
not.
just energy drinks and shit.
A lot of giant monsters aiming to kill me. I've been slaughtering all of them. Whoa, is this that
Crowbar!
monster hunter
I have
game we were
9.
talking about?
I'm getting there. I need 3 more.
Oh, that's useful.
What, the healing thing, or?
Apparently this item reduces damage on your first hit or something.
Oh, yeah,
That's nice.
I enjoy that one.
Yeah, that one's a good one. Do we have everything, or? Oh, no, we don't.
Hold on. Still got a couple things I'm trying to do. Just this right here. Kidding. What's that mean? One of the wolves.
Fully activated the wood shrine.
Is that good?
Yeah, I mean, it's pretty good. Wood shrines are nice.
Hey,
Perish!
I do
Oh, I got the
apologize
healing
for always
machine.
asking.
I got the healing soda machine.
Yay. Once again, I do apologize for constantly asking you guys what I'm doing.
You're all good.
It's
Trust
fine.
me.
Yeah, you're fine.
Anyone want Goobo Jr.?
Ooh, energy drink. Hold on, I have 2 more boxes I'm trying to open.
I got one over here that I kind of want to open.
Alright, guess, never mind, I have 2 boxes. Dang it, 3. Why do I keep finding boxes? Expensive.
Joey, where are you? I'll buy them for you.
Hold on, I'm about to buy it.
I'll just buy them for you. I have so much money.
Got it. Ah! I gotta get out of here. Alright, I bought the box and I almost died.
Ah, I'm
Ooh,
stealing that. That's a crowbar. I saw a box you were leaving behind. I was like, nah. It's a crowbar. It's mine now. I need 2 more.
What's up?
He's trying to get the crowbar thing.
We headed to a teleporter?
Yeah, let's just get out of here. We need to go.
Wait, mark the teleporter. I don't know where it is.
I'm right near it.
I'm paying.
Where is it?
Okay. Running towards it. I'm gonna call down the soda machine once we get there.
Hey! here, and nothing can get
I
me.
wish I had more syringes so I could shoot faster.
Syringe.
Activating it now.
Ooh.
Another beetle queen.
No way. Looks like my mom.
Ah, shit.
Wait, where's the last queen?
She's over there. Plummeting down.
Pretty woman.
She's dead.
Turn objective.
Alright, I
Destroy.
got my loot, I got out of there.
Got my loot.
Wait, there's no.
Come on.
Shinobi, grab yours.
Yeah,
Yep, I grabbed it.
Okay.
I'm ready to trigger it as soon as possible.
Yes, please do.
Triggered.
Fuck out of here.
Triggered, and not in like a liberal way.
Oh my god.
Not in a liberal way.
I
Oh
need-
my god.
Just a few more crowbars.
Triggered unliberally.
Liberals.
Oh, we're in Siren's Call. If we kill the secret
Oh,
boss
this
here,
one.
we can get a character. But I don't want to do it since it's stage 4 and we're about to get to the ha.
Ha 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 ha. Hey,
Oh,
what's
you
that?
mean the hardest difficulty?
Yeah.
What is this effigy of grief thing?
I don't know.
So it looks like there's a void area.
Void these
Oh,
nuts.
that did so much damage. I'm dead. No.
Never mind. This thing
What the
cripples your
fuck
feet.
is this thing?
Well, that's unfortunate, Jace.
I had 10 crowbars.
Jace is dead.
Oh shit. I gotta run.
Max is
Ah, I'm
dead.
dead.
Oh.
Nobody's dead.
Eli, it's all on you now.
Bruh? Aren't you still alive?
No, I'm dead.
Oh, well, I'm just gonna start running around.
We were taking too long on the earlier stages.
Hey, Lunar
Get the
Clone.
Luna coin, yeah.
That was.
Wait, we're supposed to touch those things?
You
The
can?
Lunar coins? Yeah. It helps you unlock a certain character.
Oh,
And
which one?
also,
They have the lunar coins have probably some of the best items in the game, but they are kind of hard to get since they cost not gold.
yeah. Thankfully, you do keep Lunar coins.
There's the
They
teleporter.
are
There's the teleporter. It's in the box.
Where?
It's in that box to your left.
This way?
Yeah.
Oh.
There it is.
Run.
Alright, now.
Turn
What is
objective
that?
survive.
There's a soulless control unit. Oh, I
I'm a
remember
railgunner. I
this.
can't
I
do
remember
any-
this killed us.
I can't do anything against this guy. I'm a railgunner. I can't do
Just run.
anything.
Just get out of there. You don't need
Run,
to be
run, run,
charging
run,
the
run, run,
teleporters.
run, run. Wait, he doesn't need to kill the boss?
No, he
Don't know,
doesn't.
we're gonna
he-
find
he-
out.
He needs to kill the bosses outside without dying. Okay, if you're okay, fine. I kind of want to see how this plays out.
You got this, Eli. We believe in you.
You can do it!
46.
Good chat, Eli.
I excel in the art of stealth.
56%.
I believe in you!
65%.
No, Eli, you got this.
Come on!
That's 7%. 80.
I don't know this boss. If I do, we're done. Why'd that thing die? What the heck?
What died?
90. That's 100%. It's at 99. You need to kill the bosses. No.
No.
Oh no.
Just leave the area and start
Snipe
and
the
pick
boss.
them off from a distance.
Yeah. Looks like your best chance really is just to snipe him far away.
Oh, I got
There's
the.
no, like,
Eli's got this.
oh god, they're all coming! That did not work in the slightest.
What's that giant worm?
That's a boss.
Oh shit.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
How are you alive?
Dude, Eli, if you pick this off, if you win,
Oh. Wait.
Go!
oh my god.
Let's go!
Big god of luck. God.
Eli, this is so clutch.
No, don't say that, 'cause now I'm gonna throw. Where's the boss?
Just run.
Yeah, this is easy. He's got this.
Oh!
Actually, yeah, this does look pretty easy with the way like the boss doesn't really do anything.
Yeah, I got lucky. I don't know where the enemies went.
They
They
all
all
just
kill each other?
spawn.
Yeah, that can happen. They can actually turn against each other.
Oh, they can?
I believe so.
Is that what
Enemy
happens when we all
enemies
die?
like
Is they just all turn on each other?
No, I don't know exactly how it works, but I have seen AI attack other AI. I don't know if it's like a
Happened, why is there a bunch of everything?
certain thing or like a thing that happens randomly, but it does happen.
Okay, perfect. My next vantage point.
I think
This is
those
fine.
breast bills are definitely falling.
Uh-oh. Oh, I think I hit the train.
No frick.
Oh my god!
Jeez. That's horrifying.
Why is there some chests you can buy?
I don't know. I don't question the gods of Risk of Rain. Oh, okay.
Whoa!
And that kind of
I'm
helped.
doing this now. Do not question the enlightened one.
That was like genuine fear.
The enemy of my enemy is actually my cousin here.
Shut up.
Stop it with the stupid things. Have I taken too long?
Oh frick.
It's just in ha-ha mode. I don't think it
doesn't
can
I don't
get
think
worse.
I don't think it gets harder.
Yeah,
Scratch
after,
that,
once
they're
it
at
just-
all enemies are at level 29 right now. Actually,
oh my god.
repulse clutch. Nope.
Do not question the enlightened one.
Oh my god. This is amazing.
Oh my god.
My god. Like how?
One of them's nearly
Oh my
dead.
god.
Okay, here's my plan, right?
Yeah.
Jump boost.
Oh my
Never
god, oh my
mind.
god, oh my god, oh my god.
I simply just use my heals. Oh, this is a dead end. I don't want to be here.
Oh.
Dodge.
No!
What
is going on?
I am running!
My
They're
god.
almost dead.
Keep running, Eli. Don't
No.
get too cocky.
Oh my
Eli,
god.
run.
Eli,
Those
run.
fucking laser eyes.
No, 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 no.
No, 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 no.
on,
Come on.
Couple
Come
more
on.
seconds. Couple
Come
more
on.
seconds.
Yes. Okay.
Wait, hold on.
Come on.
He still has to get there. He killed
crap.
one of them.
Those clock towers, man. Or whatever they are. The bells.
They have. Yo! grab the loot and get out of there!
God, Eli,
Go!
Oh my god, he did it!
Holy shit, that was
The run
amazing!
continues. Do
That
not
was
activate
fucking
that.
amazing!
Do not activate that.
Dude, how did
That
I?
was
There was
incredible.
one too many clutches for that to have actually happened. Like the one health
was
clutch.
fucking
What was
insane.
that? What do we do, guys?
We
That
find
was
the
incredible.
portal and we leave.
My hands. I can't feel my hands.
Oh, is there just a straight portal? There's no like teleport event?
No, it's a primordial teleporter. We just need to get the fuck out of here.
My hands feel like they're grabbing cotton.
Where is it? Where is it?
It looks different, by the way. So when you find it, it won't look like what it usually looks like. All right.
I am so glad I grabbed the health healing item.
God dang. Ow. Gross.
Oh, dude, I don't normally clutch. I'm actually like super hyped.
Leave me alone! I'm trying to find the portal.
What does it look like? Can I have like a description? Would I recognize it?
You won't. It's not the normal thing. It looks more polygonal. It has a bunch of spikes surrounding it instead of
Okay,
two
so
spikes.
it will be blatantly obvious though.
Yeah, kinda. I don't know what that is.
I've
Wait,
been
that's
killed.
healing. That is healing.
I believe in you.
There is this thing.
I get healed over time now. So good. Oh my god, sick.
Licky tongue bastards, man. They're so freaking tough.
Oh.
Oh, dang.
Oh.
Wait, I found it! I found it! I pinged it.
I'm not
Everyone get
over
over
it.
here.
Is this
There's
me and
only
you
two
now,
of
buddy?
you.
Oh, there it is.
Yeah.
Yes, it's just me and you. Do I trigger it?
Just start it, just start it.
We have to wait? Ah! Oh my god, it's Jello! I died.
Dead.
I guess I'm the one clutching now.
Yeah, well,
Clutch!
Got
Clutch
this
guns!
I just instantly died. Oh.
Uh-oh.
But buddy?
Damn it, I tried. Are they healing?
What is killing the mending jump right now?
Yeah, I was gonna say,
Enemies
what
turn
killed
into
him? What is hitting him right now at all?
Who the
Is it the
fuck?
beetle guards?
Who the fuck cares? If it's
It must be the beetle guard. Let's go.
Like sniping him with that?
Look out.
Oh shit, yeah.
Try playing on drizzle mode.
why?
for easier
Why did it
time.
take so much damage all of a sudden?
We don't know what it's doing. All we know is that we must survive. And when I say we, I mean you.
They're
because
fighting each
You're
other.
awesome and cool. What happened there? Just survive.
Everything is spec'd into attack. No!
Fuck!
It was a good run.
GG.
I had 10.
Yeah, I was killed by a parent.
I had 10 crowbars.
I think that's gonna be it for me, guys.
I'm
Oh, you're
done. I'm
calling it?
done. I'm
It's
mad.
like 3. It's like 3.